What's up, everyone, and welcome back. It's your boy D Fresh in the building. Man, what a day it was. If you was a bear and you was playing the downside, the Bears got busy today and dominated the game one day after the Fed rates big cut of about 1%. The markets took a breather. And on top of that, Fed Powell saying that December may not be a rate cut has investors on edge, and Wall Street is being cautious. But we're going to break down a few tickers for you to pay attention to and have on your radar going into tomorrow. We'll throw some levels in there as well. But before we do that, y'all do me a favor, go ahead and smash that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. First ticker up is for the newbies and beginners. Y'all come on up. We got ticker symbol INTC on deck. They're sitting at 40.74. If you are a bull in this one, you want to see them get back above 41.45. If they can do that, they're going to start running it up. You got this area at 42.05. They break through that. They got this next hump to get through, 42.25, and then boom, you right back up to these highs at 42.50 before they try to make their next leg up. To the downside, you want to see them get back to these bottoms right here at 40.10. If they can do that, their next push is going to be to 39.70. Then boom, you got 39.05 in play. Advanced traders, y'all come on up. First one for you guys is going to be ticker symbol PLTR. Palantir. They're sitting at 197.15. You are a bull in this one. You want to see them open somewhere around 198.65. They can do that. They're going to shoot their shot right back at these tops at 200. They can break through there. They can start moving this thing up much higher. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 193.90. They can do that right there. The next push down is going to be to these tops over here at 191.75. They can break through that right there. They coming back down to this area right here at 188.90. Next level down is going to be 197.80. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? Y'all come on up to the table. First one for you guys is going to be ticker symbol TSLA. And this one right here, they're sitting at 444.85. Family, look at these levels that I put out. These decision-making levels are so crucial. When they get broken and taken out, you already know where they're going. Decision-making level, 450.80. We know once they break through, they coming back to 445. They break through there. Where are we coming back to? 439.40. We've seen this over the last couple weeks, family. If you just keep going back, you see how many times they bounce off of that level and go back to the upside. And we know what happens when they consolidate up under it. We coming back to 435, and then we coming back to 432.40, 430, and then 427. We just continue to drop. So right now, bulls are doing what they need to do. They are defending that level. That's why you got that bounce. Consolidating above, it started coming down to the next level, which would put 432.30 in play. If you are a bull, you want to see them recapture this decision-making level at 450.65. They can do that right there. The next push up is going to be 454.95, and then boom, you got 459.40 in play. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 439.40. They can do that right there. They're going to shoot their shot back down to that 435.60 area en routes to 432. This is the decision-making levels right in here. You got the consolidation period from 432 all the way down to 429, breaking through there. Hello, you coming all the way back down to this 420.40 area. There you go in that one right there. Next ticker up is going to be the SPY, SPY. Family, if you are in the Discord and you witness what we put on that last hour of the market, if you was able to make money on that drop right there, let me know in the comments below, because we killed that play. I told you where it was coming down to. It came down to that point, and then they start retracting transitioning back to the upside. But family, I told you this would be a tough day for bulls. I let you guys know that first thing in the morning. I looked at the chart. I said, man, guys, today ain't it in calls right now. It's a lot of levels that's bearish and strong bearish levels that the bull's not going to be able to get through. We ain't paying attention to calls right now. If anything, we sitting on the sideline until we can see something heavy get smacked down to the downside, or we position our entry to ride back up to the top. What I see as of now, we got power hour in a few. Bulls holding above 683.95. They can run to 684. But to the downside, I said bears get the breakdown at 682.10, an area of interest for bears to want to go back and see. We got 681.60. Holding under, you got 681.35. With speed, bears will try to bring this under 680. I said power hour in a few, and you guys know I don't pay attention. I don't trust no levels in power hour. That's why I don't play anything in power hour. But I seen this play in the making. That's why I put it out, because I know you guys are still trying to get busy in this, but it was before 3, so I put it out 257. And if we take it back to the charts, we see what happened after that. Look at that nastiness. It just got crazy. I put this play when it was chopping way up here. When I'm putting these plays out, you know what's ready to go down. You know they ready to come down to these levels. I'm telling you, ain't many out in the game calling out these plays, these levels as precise as your boy Fresh. We doing it each and every day. But if you are a bull in this one and you want to get this thing back to the upside, they trying to get this thing going again. If you are a bull, you need to see them open higher than 685.80. They can do that. Their next push is going to be to this turbulence over here at 687.50, and then boom, they're going to run back to this top at 689.75. To the downside, you want to see them get back up under this 682.90. They can do that right there. Next push down is going to be to 681.40. Then you got those lows at 679.80 en route to 677. They trying to come back down to that level before the bulls get excited and try to boom that thing up. So if you seeing that downhill pressure, keep 677 on your radar, because trust, bears is going to try to take them down to that level. But all right, family, that's all the tickers I have for you today. That's a few different tickers, a few different levels for you to put on your radar to help you navigate through the session tomorrow. It's the last day of the trading week. One last chance for us to get busy and dominate whatever Wall Street throw at us and make a bag and enjoy the weekend. But all right, family, I'll see you guys in the Discord first thing in the morning. Until then, if you like sniper tight, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, PLTR, HUT, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join us in the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it.